Lake and welcome to our Vermont Three Sister channel. And today this is our second video and we're doing a food challenge, and we have three contestants, our brothers and husbands, and so they're doing a food challenge today. So we have momo, dumplings, hot dog, hamburger, double burger, salad, and we have chicken wings.
How many?
We have 5 chicken wings, and we have waffles. Then we have water drink and ginger ale. Anything else?
Momo 종류만.
Momo 12 piece. Yeah, we have 12
Big
pieces.
one.
And
So
good luck, guys.
whoever-
Yeah.
Yeah.
And whoever wins,
Yeah,
we have
there's
a
prizes.
small gift. We have Sagela, my husband.
From South Burlington. Go.
And then we have Tenzin Chokton, my brother.
164
Burlington. And then our little brother, Yume Tenzin.
from New York.
Yeah. And we know we are the three sisters. So good luck, guys. And
All right.
yeah, good luck.
Start
Yeah,
now.
time
Yeah.
starts.
Oh my
Good
God.
time. Relax.
Relax.
Eat.
Oh.
How does it feel like now?
Finish one at a time.
No dinner for you guys.
Come on, Sangala, you can do it.
How come you're always such a fussy young man? Don't want no Captain Crunch, don't want no Raisin Bran. You won't get no dessert till you clean off your plate, so eat it. Don't you tell me you're full, just eat it. Eat it. It's gonna get cold, so eat it. I don't care if you're full, just eat it. Eat it. Open up your mouth and feed it. Have some more yogurt, have some more spam. It doesn't matter if it's fresh or canned. Just eat it, eat it. Don't you make me repeat it. Rising up, back on the street. Did my time, took my chances. Went the distance, now I'm back on my feet. Just a man and his will to survive.
Do you want me to shake your belly? Dance, dance.
자꾸 여쭤보는 가라지 않는
No more please stop, no more hashtag booed up screenshots, no more trying to make me jealous on your birthday. You know just how I make you better on your birthday. Do you like this? Do we like this? Do we lay it down where touch your feet like this? Matter of fact, never mind, we'll let the past be. Maybe he's
댄스. 댄스. 지금 갔다 오래. 지금 갔다 오래.